Hello everybody, this is Master Carlos Colony from Newer Kids Code. I'm one of the instructors for the program, and today we're going to be going different graphic effects that you could do on your sprite or on any object in the stage or on the stage itself. So, what we have here is we have our simple cat sprite, we have a blank stage, and let's get started. So we go to our Events tab, go to when the play button is clicked, drag that there, go to Pen, then we do clear. So what we're basically doing when the program starts, we're clearing the stage so that we can repopulate the stage with these different graphic effects, right? So we clear that, drag and drop that right there. Go to motion, and we go down to go to X and Y right there. So for each one of these, we're going to be using different coordinates, and obviously the different coordinates are for these different spots that these sprites are on. So, for this one we have negative 150 and 125. For the next one it's 0, 125. The other one is 150 to 125. Negative 150, 0. 0, 0, which is the origin right there. Then we have 150, 0. Then we have negative 150, negative 125. And then we have 0, negative 125. So, now that we have that, and we got that squared away, now we go to looks, and we click on the block that says clear graphic effects, and what that basically does is it will clear all the graphic effects, or what we say is it'll basically clean it up, sort of like the clear does. And basically what it will do is for the sprite, it won't add any other effects to it. It'll just clear it of any effects and then go on to the next one, as you can see from all these clears. So for these different ones, for these different effects, right? So we go down to where it says set color effect to 0. And if you click on the arrow, we have different ones. We have color, fisheye, whirl, pixelate, mosaic, brightness, and ghost. So for the first one we have color, so we have the color changed to 20. Now for this one right here we have simple, sprite, nothing's changed, it's very simple. The next one we change the color. The third one we do a fisheye, we set the effect to 50, so you could see that it sort of warps or it sort of magnifies a certain section of the cat or the sprite. For the next one we do whirl, which basically takes the cat and spins it, sort of makes it twisted, sort of twists up the cat. The next one we have pixelate, which will make it into sort of like a blocked sort of cat, as if it were made out of bricks. And for the next one we have mosaic. Now mosaic basically means that it'll take the sprite and it'll basically make it into several pieces which will be on top of each other, and it'll make sort of like an artwork with that. Next one is ghost, and as you can see with the ghost we set the transparency to 70. Now ghost, as you remember from previous videos or sessions, is basically there for you to use to set the transparency of a certain object. And for the next one we have the brightness. Now if you notice the difference between this one and this one, you can see that this one has a darker shade of orange, for example, whereas this one has a lighter shade of orange. So what that does is not necessarily change the color, but what it does, it changes the brightness. So this one is much brighter than the original. And then we just stamp it. For each one we stamp it so each one of these effects stays where they are, so you can see the comparison between each one. So, if you like this video, click like, comment in the comment section below, and subscribe for more news on our YouTube channel. This is Master Carlos Colony, and thank you for watching.